scheduled basis, whether it's quarterly up to monthly, we are having that CFO to CEO conversation with our business owner clients. And what with our CFO program, we're getting our business owner clients to buy into what's called our MELT system. And MELT stands for maximize earnings and lower tax, right? Keep maximizing your earnings and lowering your tax, and just rinse and repeat. And what we do is we use private equity techniques to maximize those earnings, right? Make the money first and then lower our effective tax rate around it. So as their CFO, we're having that conversation because a business owner or founder, in many cases, focused just on running the business and providing that product or service to the customer, which is great. It does start there, but then really running business by the numbers and managing by margin, that's what we can do as a CFO, and choosing where to allocate capital, right, as you make those profits.
So I'll start us off in this conversation with, I'm thinking of a coaching client of ours who runs a construction company, and they joined the program, they started growing their revenue. And what was interesting though, was many business owners will fixate on two numbers on their P&L, right? They'll focus on revenue and then they'll focus on profit. And what they miss out on is in that hyper focus on revenue, this company they took their eye off on how they managed the projects, and their gross profit margins went severely down. They were bidding out work and selling work, they thought, at 20-25% gross profit margins. But when we looked at it, their effective margins were at about anywhere from 8 to 12%. And a construction company with an 8 to 12% gross profit margin loses money, or certainly doesn't make much money.
Absolutely will lose money, yeah, because they should be dropping that to the bottom line, right? To operating income.
That's right. So you, as a person coming in there, you're looking at gross profit margin. What are some of your techniques that you're going to help somebody, a business, increase their gross profit margin? What are some of the easy tricks that you know to raise gross profit margin?